doing a 3D Doodler toy review. So we're going to start by opening this up and seeing what we have inside. Oof, I kind of ripped it. So I'm going to check out this book. It looks like this, and we have some creations we can make by tracing over this, because if you trace over these, I think it could turn into this if you attach it. And we have the Eiffel Tower, a flower pot, a mask, a butterfly, some glasses, and I think there should be something else. We have a dinosaur, a clock, a helicopter, a bike, and some accessories we can make using this. So we're going to check out what else we have, and this looks like the 3D pen right here. I'm going to try and take this out carefully. Wow, this is much harder than I thought. So this is what it looks like. It's blue. We have our off and on switch right here. This is the slot where we charge our 3D pen, and this is how we turn it on by getting our plastic colors out. Next up, we have our charger. It does not come with the headpiece, so you have to use one for like a phone charger, and it's black, and this is what it looks like. Now we have our colors. I can tell it comes with two. I'm going to pull it from this spot so I don't break any of it, because this is plastic. So the colors we have in the first packet is white, light green, yellow, and orange. Right here, if you can see it. Now we have our second packet of colors. It's not the same as this, as you can see, because we have blue, red, green, and gray. Blue and red are my favorite colors, but I like pink a lot. So we're gonna get started. I think that I'm going to be making something in here. So let's check it out. It has a beginner's guide. So here's everything that we can make. So I'm going to look at these. I think I'm going to make a butterfly because I really like butterflies. So it says here, because on this page you can see what pictures you have, the things that you can make, and in these orange bubbles are the pages where you trace them. So the butterfly is page 11, so it's right here. So here I have to trace all of these and then attach the wings onto the bottom. So I have to take out my colors. I'm going to use gray for the body. Right here there's a little slip that you open it with without like breaking your plastic or anything. So I'm going to take out one to start with. Turn it on. We just have to wait until this turns green. So while I wait, I'm going to check out what else I have. So as you can see, our pen has turned green. So we're going to push this in. So we're going to start tracing our butterfly. Wait, we're going to turn it on. See, the red light means it's not on yet. Yellow light means that your battery is going low, and the green light means that it's fully charged and it's ready to start printing or doodling. So it's turned green now, which was pretty fast. So we're going to start. I want to flatten this. I'm not going to do the inside yet because I want to make sure I got like the outlines done, because that's kind of the hard part, to trace over this. So I'm just going to go over this a few times. gonna do the little circle first, because that's pretty easy. So we got our two little circles, which are attached to the antenna. So the next thing we want to do is just do our line as straight as we can get it. We can have it curved like it has on the paper. So I'm just going to push this a little bit to try and line it up as even as I can get it. And then we're going to be doing the next side. I want to get both antennas to be even, but that can be pretty hard sometimes because there's a few plastic strands that will make the antennas a little longer. So we're going to take the body again, and we're actually going to attach the antennas. Wait, this one's dry, so I'm going to make a little spot right here, push it down a little bit, and I'm gonna glue my antenna down just like this so it stays attached to the butterfly body, and it looks just like this on the back, except you won't be able to see the part where I glued it if you flip it around. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other antenna, try and line it up evenly. So here we go. We got the butterfly body. If you want, you can add like legs, but I won't be doing that for my butterfly. So after a while, I decided to go back on the book because the tracings are not on the table. The tracings actually make it easier for you to draw your butterfly. And I'm gonna actually take this piece here. A better idea, rather than like breaking it off, is gluing it down so it can fit. So I'm gonna try my best to glue it. I'll try my best to fix it. So I'm gonna go in this direction now. I'm gonna go a little slower so I don't mess up my zigzags. So now I'm gonna start. Butterfly together all these pieces, so I don't need the book anymore. It's still pretty loose. So this is my back side, and this is my front side. This is my front side here, and this is my back side. But for this, I'm going to be using the front. So I have to glue my wings on. This line is helping me push my wing on, but I think I'm gonna need a little more because it's not enough for the wing to stay on the butterfly. Then we're just gonna push it down when I'm done, because I want this to be secure. I really don't want it to break off. So next I'm gonna do my other butterfly wing, which is right here. And there we go. This is what my butterfly looks like now, and I have a special treat for it that I made. Since butterflies really like flowers, I made a flower with my 3D Doodler. I don't have a pink piece of plastic, but I painted over my red to make it look like a pink flower. So this is what it looks like in the end. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and like this video.